Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create or generate an amazing and cool pictures with the help of AI. And today I'm gonna use AI called KREA AI, as you see guys here, its name. And why I want to use it. The reason why I want to use that AI is that AI is more powerful than other ones, and with the help of that AI you can generate your pictures on real time. As a result, you don't have to wait for 2 hours, for an hour, for example. You don't have to do this. You just type here your prompt, generate your image and download it. And as you see guys, there are a lot of tools. As you see guys here, you can change the format of your picture, and you can change here the style of your picture, and here you can enhance your picture, and that function enhances the quality of your picture. And here you can save it, here download it. So okay, let's start guys. I wanna generate a cool picture of my favorite car, so let's start guys. Let's type black BMW M8 competition with red lights. At night of cyberpunk Tokyo City. Okay, here you can see the image, and you can see here our BMW and Tokyo City. In cyberpunk style, of course. And what else? Okay, let's change the style and let's enhance it. So guys, let's wait. Yeah, it's really cool, and let's enhance that too. Guys, picture is really cool actually. So as you see guys, here is the beautiful picture of my favorite car. So, and let's generate another image. Batman in Soviet style is helping to Soviet soldiers in World War, in the Second World War. As you see guys, here is Batman and behind him soldiers. World War. Shooting bombs another. So as you can see guys, there are beds and there is our main character Batman, and behind him war and soldiers. Yeah, I think that one is better. Yeah guys, picture is really cool actually, and I will send you that picture to my Telegram channel. From there you can download the picture. So bye guys, and wait for my new videos because I have a lot of creative ideas about videos about IT and technologies. So bye guys, see you next time, and don't forget to join my channel. Bye, see you next time.